somewhere. There's a bridge across up there. Oh, found that bridge.
Welcome to Missouri. In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Sprague Street.
Cape Girardeau is situated on the Mississippi River right above the boot heel of southeast Missouri. It's located between St. Louis, Missouri and Memphis, Tennessee. Cape Girardeau is a 250-year-old city rich with history and heritage. It's a town founded along the banks of the mighty Mississippi in the days of pioneers, trading posts, and steamboat captains. And since it's a river city, you often can see the paddle wheel riverboats. Whenever they dock here, you'll be able to see them up close.
Take the next right onto Independence Street, then turn left onto South Spanish Street. Your destination is on the right.
And that's it.
Your destination is on the left.
Somewhere in there.
Somewhere. Yeah, we're here. We gotta figure it out. We found our Airbnb for the night, but we can't figure out how to get in. Oh, maybe over here? Here's the lockbox. Okay, so now we found it, but we can't get into it.
One eternity later.
Won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out.
Hey, Charlotte.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.
We are just across the street from St. Vincent's Catholic Church. We're gonna go over there here pretty soon. Where we are used to be a carriage house for St. Vincent's campus. Now it's part of Eden's salon and spa. So this carriage house was used as a rectory, and then later it was used as the Ursuline School for Girls and Nuns. Let's go across the street and check everything out. Old St. Vincent's Church is located near the Mississippi riverfront. The Renaissance architecture, referred to as English Gothic Revival, is rare. Only about 6 or 7 churches like this exist in the States today. The church is built in the shape of a cross with numerous arches inside. Unfortunately, I was not able to film this part because the church was closed this morning. Anyone with an interest or curiosity about the early history of French Colonial era in the Midwest will love this area. Oh, they locked me up. Missouri has a rich French history. The area was owned by the French after all. We all seem to have at least a smidgen of French ancestry somewhere in our family trees. And this is definitely true the closer you live to St. Louis or southeast Missouri.
Louis Lorimer was appointed by the Spanish as the commandant of the Cape Girardeau district of this portion of the land bordering the Mississippi River. In time, he founded the city of Cape Girardeau, Missouri. In about 1797, Lorimer constructed his combination home, trading post, and governmental headquarters in the location which is now the south parking lot of St. Vincent Cathedral. Official records show that the building became known as the Red House. The true reason for that designation is unknown, but a good guess is because it may have been painted red, a color which was readily available on the frontier. Lorimer died in 1812. The Red House was destroyed by a tornado in 1850 and never rebuilt. The land was later sold to the church. The only description of the Red House is shown in a drawing made by a Major Brooks, based on the recollections of Sarah Bullinger Doherty, who had seen the building many times during her youth. This drawing makes it clear that the building was constructed in the French style with vertical logs, consistent with Lorimer's French-Canadian heritage, as opposed to the horizontal log method originating in Scandinavia and favored by American settlers. The drawing also shows the French custom of constructing porches around their homes and sometimes later adding additional rooms under portions of the porch roofs. No doubt the dormer was useful to Lorimer in keeping watch over river traffic. Interest in the Red House was rekindled in the year 2001 by the upcoming 200th anniversary of the Lewis and Clark expedition, whose official journals show that the Lorimer home was visited by Captain Meriwether Lewis on November 23, 1803. On that date, the expedition passed Cape Girardeau on its way up the Mississippi toward the St. Louis area to await the March 1804 official start of the mission to explore the newly acquired Louisiana Purchase. The city of Cape Girardeau owns the land across the street from the original site and granted permission for the recreation of the building at its present location.
Commemorating Lewis and Clark's visit on November 23, 1803, the Red House Interpretive Center is a recreation of Louis Lorimer's trading post and home. The building reflects French-Canadian architecture, and the gardens in the back accurately recreate gardens of that time.
They even have an old-timey bread oven.
trying to find
It's like these aren't just Cape Girardeau.
all that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always in you in the back of my mind. It's always been
Cape Girardeau is a university town also. Southeast Missouri State University was founded in 1873 when a group of locally prominent businessmen and politicians successfully lobbied the state of Missouri to designate Cape Girardeau as the home of the 3rd District Normal School. Offers more than 170 degree programs, including 129 undergraduate majors, 33 master's degree and specialist degree programs, and 11 certificate programs. Well, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.